INTEC never used to disappoint the exhibitors or the visitors, and this edition, INTEC 2024, is no other way. It have got great responses, a lot of people and a lot of innovations.
This year we are seeking a good improvising since due to a defense corridor in Coimbatore which CODISSIA holds in Tamil Nadu. Due to that we have to compete with overseas markets also. For that MSME industries we have to upgrade ourselves. The latest technology, 3D, smart manufacturing and so on in deep.
I think CODISSIA has done a great job of bringing the world to Coimbatore and making sure the medium and small scale enterprises of this region not only are exposed to the rest of the world but also create opportunities for their future growth and benefit. And the quality of the fair, the quality of the participants, the participation of the companies and participation of the overseas entities itself shows how successful this has been.
For us, Coimbatore has always been a very important market, and for the automation perspective. There are a lot of the engineering companies who are into various industries, could be textile, could be machine tool, could be there's a lot of pump makers here, there are a lot of motor makers here. So it obviously has been a critical business area for us in terms of developing various segments here. And then we have seen a lot of traction from this market because a lot of SMEs are here.
This is about INTEC 2024. It's a flagship show. Always Coimbatore stands first in every edition of INTEC. This show we have launched VTL machine, 3 models. 1 model we have kept here, and also we have displayed graphite machining center and 5-phase milling, 5-axis machining center, and a 2-meter machine for the pattern industry. This is the second day of the show, and the show is having very good response. We can meet all the customers at the show. Very good response from the INTEC 2024 show.
Been present here in the Coimbatore market very strongly for the last 30 years or so. This market is filled with abundant manufacturers, especially in terms of the die and mold industry, the valve and pump manufacturing industry, foundries and pattern makers, as well as automotive component manufacturers. We've had the privilege and opportunity to serve all these customers over the years. The INTEC this time in 2024 has also been very promising. We've seen a huge footfall over the last 2 days. This is the second day of the show, and it's been extremely promising, and we've seen at least a 20% growth in terms of leads and footfall that we've had on our booth.
First INTEC stall in Coimbatore in 2024. Actually, we are representing a few European products as well as some Japanese products. In our stall, we are dominantly showcasing Renishaw products. This is the equator from Renishaw. This they launched in 4 years back. This is dominantly for the attack like the gauging. Apart from this equator, we are also showcasing probing solutions from Renishaw. This exhibition so far we are getting a good leads. We are confident that in coming months the market will be good.